There is definitely some magic in the fly cast. Poetry in motion, engineering in action, and art in nature. It's a skill that requires patience, precision, and passion. And there's no better place to master it than the lakes and streams and rivers of Vermont. Casting is the essence of fly fishing. It's the way you present your fly to the fish and the way you control your line on the water. It's a skill that takes years to master and a lifetime to perfect. Vermont is a fly fisherman's paradise. It offers a variety of cold water fishing opportunities, and it has some of the most scenic and pristine fishing spots in the country. Places where you can enjoy the beauty and tranquility of nature with a completely off the beaten path feel. But fly fishing is more than just catching fish. It is an art form that requires finesse and technique. It's a science that involves physics and biology, and it's a sport that challenges your mind and body. And it is a hobby that brings you joy and satisfaction for a lifetime. So if you want to experience the beauty and science of the fly cast and the thrill and adventure of fly fishing in Vermont, don't hesitate to contact me at tourvtnh.com.